Okay, so this recording is just going to show you how to go in and edit your wiki website. Okay, so I'm just going to type in up here what the browser name is. So we're going to use, or right in the browser address bar, I should say, we're going to type in the website. So the one that we use is wikispaces.com. So just type that in. Okay. All right, so now what you want to do is you want to log in. So you've created a account already, so all you have to do basically is just sign in. Okay, and then you type in your user ID in your account. Oops. And your password, and then sign in. Okay, so this is the website here that we're going to edit. It's our grade 11 college math. So we're going to click on it. Okay. Now to do this, first of all, just move your scroll bar, and if you want to change any website or any of the pages, you have to first click this edit button. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use one of the pages that you won't be editing, but I'll just use this references page. So I'm going to click on that. Okay, now I want to add some things to this page, okay, because all it's got is a title. So the first thing you have to do is you have to click edit, and that changes it to the edit mode. Okay, and then it kind of looks a lot like a word processor because it's got a toolbar up here and it will allow you to do. So what you want to do is I'm just going to show you how to add text. So let's say that you wanted to add one of our references to this page. So the first thing you would do is you would just click, and what you might want to do is type the actual text first. So the first reference we're going to add is going to be our YouTube website. So we're just going to do www.youtube.com. Okay. Now let's say we didn't like the size of that font. We wanted to change it. There's two ways you can do it. You can just highlight it and then go into here and just pick one of these predetermined fonts. So I just picked the second one. Okay, and let's say if you wanted to change the color, what you could just do is you could highlight it like that, and then you could click on this T. Okay, and then you could just basically change the text. Okay, so here it says change the text color. So let's say that you wanted it in blue or something like that. Just go like that and then go apply styles. Okay. So if it doesn't do it, sometimes you have to just redo it. So because it doesn't always register. Okay. So there we go. So there's our first reference. Now what we want to do is we want to actually make a link for this reference because we want people to be able to just, go on to the YouTube website straight from the reference page. So to make a link, okay, first of all, you highlight the text and then you go up here and you click on this zipper. Okay. Okay. And this is called an external link. So basically, we had youtube.com. So you would just basically, it's already there for us, but if it wasn't there, you would just open up a YouTube website in a different browser window, and then up here at the top, copy the address. Okay, so just like Control C or Edit Copy, and then you just come down here and paste it in and go Add Link. Okay. Now, WikiLink is when you want to make a link from this page to one of the other pages in your navigation bar. Okay, so what you have to do first, if you're going to do that, is you have to create the page first and then make the link after on the page that you want to make the link. So we're not going to do that. We're just going to do our external link here. Okay, so now when people click on this, it will go directly to the youtube.com website. Okay? Now the other thing I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you how to add a picture. So I'm going to just scroll down, and to add a picture, first of all, you would use this button here. And first of all, I want to find a picture in order to use it. So I'm going to open up a new browser window, and I'm going to go to Google Images and just grab a picture off the internet. Okay, so I'm just going to click on Images here. Okay, and now I'm just going to type in YouTube logo, because that's what I want, is I want a, oh, and there it is right there. Okay, so I might as well just use the first one here. And then you got to click on full size image. Okay, and then what you want to do is you want to copy the address for the picture. So that's Control C, or just edit copy. And then go back to your web page, so up here. Okay, and then what you want to do is you want to click on the picture button up here. Okay. Okay, so the image that I want to do is I want to do an external image, but you also have an option of uploading an image from your computer, so something that's already saved on your computer. But mine is an external image. Okay, so now to paste the address, I'm just going to go Control V, or you can do Edit Paste and then go Load. And it'll pop up there. You just have to double click on it, and then it will insert it right. Now this is a little bit big. Okay, so I'm going to make it smaller. Okay, so you can just basically till you get it to the size that you want. Okay, now I want it a little bit smaller than that. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, so that's my image there. Okay, and then you can move it if you don't like where it is. Okay, now that's it. That's all I'm going to do for today. So I'm going to click back on the edit button, or on the save button. Sorry, it's in the edit mode. So just click on save, and that will save all the changes that you made. Okay, so there's our page. Now a couple of things I want to note here. You've got some tabs up here at the top. Now this is just information about this page for the other people that you're working with when you build this website. So this is actually the page itself, but discussion is actually where you talk to the other people that are building this website. So if you wanted to post something yourself, you would just go and you would type a message in here, subject, and then a message, and then put post at the bottom. Okay, but you can see somebody's already added an opinion. Okay, and basically you can see right here, I don't think we should add pictures, just keep it as a link. So that's actually me, but that's just an example of if you guys wanted to talk about changes that were made on the page, or whether you like it or don't like it. History, when you click on history, it just tells like who's edited the page and then what time they've edited it, and you can actually go on and you can click to see what was done. Okay, and it will give you a little summary of what was done. Okay, alright, so that's basically it. So now you can go ahead and you can add your research to our website.